Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a wig sent from Ashimaryhair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So they usually load you up with a bunch of gifts and things of that such, and they're packaging you guys. So let's just go ahead and go through and see what I got. Of course, the wig. They also sent over some satin bows. As you guys can see, a lot of things in here is very much branded. I saw that the bows is like a trend, you guys. It's not my thing, so I'm just gonna set those aside for my little cousins and give it to them. Also, a satin headband, some adhesive tapes, along with a baby hair wrap with the earmuffs, ear cuffs, edge brush, bobby pins, which I'm actually going to keep, along with the eyelashes and the HD wig cap. So it also comes with some replacement INVISI straps and the stock card for this wig unit. So it just basically tells you everything about the wig, the specs and things of that such, and also how to use the INVISI straps. So I also received a satin bonnet. This is a lot of stuff, and it is branded, you guys, as you could see, and some replacement combs were given as well, and a satin robe, and that was branded as well. So that's a lot of stuff, you guys. Thank you, Ashimaryhair, for giving all those gifts. So in the wig cap construction, they do place the wig cap or the adjustable strap in the wig already, and I'm just showing you guys the hairline up close along with the removable combs. So I actually like that the wigs come with the removable combs, you guys. Sometimes they're not really in the best place, they're not really stitched in the best place, but I like that they give you the option that you're able to take it out, put it in. And then I'm also showing you guys up close of the INVISI strap and basically how it would look if you were to like put your hair in a high ponytail. So yeah, now just to talk to you guys a little bit more, this is like my second or third time reviewing for this hair company, and I believe the last wig that I reviewed was the same wig in a different texture. I believe that one was like a water wave. But today I am reviewing a kinky straight texture, and it has the curly baby hairs. Now, I always said that I feel like the curly baby hairs and the kinky textures is a really good combo, and I think it's the best combo when it comes to kinky wigs. I think it looks the most natural, and I don't really want to go back to any other basic kinky straight wig. I just feel like they all need the curly baby hairs, you guys. Also, I find that with the curly baby hairs, every company is different. Some of them are a little bit more curlier. Also, some of the hairlines are a little bit more denser and things of that such. But I think that this one was a pretty good one. Maybe I could have plucked a little bit more, but again, it wasn't like terribly thick, and I love that. Now, I am cutting around the ear tabs. Now, I'm not sure if I was supposed to do that with this wig cap construction. However, when I get these wig units, I make them to how I like them to fit on my head. So, most of the time, the wig units need to be cut in twos to fit, and I'm a person who likes to wear my wigs. I guess I like to have the sideburns in front of my ear. I don't like for the wigs to really be sitting on top of my ear, you guys. I don't know, some people, that's just something that people like to do. It's not my thing. So I cut into my wigs. You guys know this. So yeah, I'm not sure if the wig cap construction was made for you to cut into, but that's what I had to do to make my wig fit. So yeah. Anyways, I'm using my Ghost Bond glue to put my wig on today. I feel like I haven't pulled my Ghost Bond glue out in a very long time with my hair reviews. I feel like I've been doing a lot of like adhesive sprays and things of that such, but today I'm using my Ghost Bond glue. I'm actually running out. So if you guys are loving or liking any of the products that I use in my hair videos, you can always find them in my Amazon storefront. And yeah.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honest.
can, this is what the wig looks like after I finish applying. It looks super natural. I love the density of the curly baby hairs, and it just looks really good, you guys. Like, I just love this combo. It's so good. And you guys are able to do some additional plucking if you want to. However, I use no plucking in this hair tutorial today. So yeah. Now I want to go ahead and jump into some parting space, because I wanted to make sure I showed you guys how far back the parting goes on this wig unit. So here is the middle. Again, it does come with the bleach knots, and then here is the side. But I'm just going to show you guys what this looks like flipped over. As you guys could see or know, this is a 360 wig unit. So I feel like the 360 frontal length is much shorter than the actual hair on this wig unit. So if you guys are able to go shorter, I definitely would, because I feel like it kind of loses its density at the ends of this hair, you guys. So I would recommend you guys just go a little shorter, in my opinion. And yeah, and for the rest of this hair video, I am basically just going to be showing you guys some different styles with this wig. Also showing you guys the back of the wig as well, if you were to put it into like a ponytail or so. And yeah, so I would highly recommend this wig unit if you guys are looking for this kind of style, something a little bit more natural. I would definitely recommend it, you guys. So other than that, that's all that I have to say, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.